Morning. Just a couple of things. One, you've got the handwriting analysis. Uh, do the 4 exemplars. Make sure you mark up your exemplar sheets. Do your worksheets with that. You are going to take a picture of the handwriting sheet. You're going to save your worksheet as a PDF. You will submit all 8 at one time to Canvas. Then I will email you your ransom note. You'll do the same thing with the ransom note. Send those back to me. I am opening up the next unit. Going to send out a case study. It's going to be the fingerprints, so we've got the groundwork laid out for that too. We will continue working our way through the packets that y'all got. I think that's pretty much it.
I have a question.
Yes.
Would you explain the handwriting worksheet again? Because I forgot to join yesterday and I was confused when I was going through and making up all the assignments that I did.
Okay. Well, I posted the video, but yes, I'll be happy to. Basically, when you analyze your own handwriting, you had a 12-point worksheet that you did to analyze your handwriting. We're going to use that same worksheet to analyze the 12 points of each one of those exemplar handwriting samples that you've got. So you're going to look at the slant, you're going to look at the way the letters are formed, how the numbers are formed, whether they cross their T's at the same spot every time, if they vary, if the I's are dotted, where they're dotted. Characteristics of each handwriting sample. So you'll do that for each one of the 4. You will, and quite literally what I recommend that you do is that since you've got a printed copy, you literally circle the things that you're looking at on the handwriting sample so that you can do that, and then you can transition that over to the worksheet so that you'll know what you're looking at and how you want to present it on the worksheet. Because what you're going to do, you're going to learn everything you can about those 4 handwriting samples. Then I am in turn going to send you a ransom note. And you are going to take that ransom note and you're going to do the same thing to that ransom note that you're doing to your 4 exemplar sheets. Then you are going to tell me, okay, Mr. Nelms, my person who wrote the ransom note was exemplar number, whichever. So, and then I will tell you whether you're right or wrong.
Oh, okay.
Does that help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay, let me finish attendance. Okay. All right. Will the exception be? Yeah.
The video that you put out, I was not able to watch. It said it was blocked, or I think it said it was blocked.
The reason was I forgot to make it public, and I just realized a few minutes ago it is now public, so it's out there.
Okay.
But everything that I just covered with Alexis is pretty much in that video too. Okay. But yeah, it's a little bit longer, so you might want to still go and take a look at it. I have posted it to Canvas. Anybody else? Okay. With the exception of Aisha, Jordan, and Lauren, the rest of y'all can go. Well, hold on a second. Let me do attendance one more time since I've gotten some new ones in here. Okay. Y'all can go, and I will talk to these 3.
I had a question too.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Wait till everybody is done. It was a question.
Okay. So Aisha, Lauren, and Jordan. Basically, I was just going over with them that they've got the handwriting analysis sample to do. You've got the 4 exemplars. Work on those today. When you've done that, post those to Canvas. I will send you the ransom note that corresponds to your set. I'm also opening up Unit 5 for fingerprints. I'm also opening up the case study for fingerprints. So that's kind of where we are with everything. Okay? All right, then y'all were good to go.
For the exemplars, do we just look at how they like written it and just like write about the characteristics?
Well, use your 12-point worksheet to look at the characteristics of how they write. You remember that when you did the handwriting, when you did your own handwriting system, use that and look at how they make their letters, look how they make their numbers, look at the characteristics. Do they slant? Do they not slant? Do they stay on baseline? Are they above baseline, below baseline? All of that, because then what you're going to do is then you're going to get a ransom note and you're going to look at that and study it and compare it to your exemplars. And you have to determine which one of your exemplars wrote the ransom note.
Okay. Can we write on the notes?
Yes,
on the-
absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, write on the notes, do whatever you need to do. Anybody else?
I was just gonna let you know that I submitted all my late work.
Okay.
I went through and submitted it all.
Okay, I'll be probably grading this weekend is my game plan.
Okay, just thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was the only thing I needed to say was about my the
Okay, yeah.
three assignments that I had submitted like